So we've got a 1910 1890 air seeder. On the cart here, we've got a 10-inch auger with a KSI flip over conveyor here. And I wanted to show you guys how to properly adjust the tension on the belt and make it so it will track evenly. So you want to first start off by getting the tension correct. The book says you want to get it to just raises up off the plate here. And in order to do that, you've got 2 bolts here, and then you got adjustment bolt. There's this same setup's on the opposite side there, and you want to do it evenly. So if you move this one a 1/2 inch, you want to do the other one a 1/2 inch as well. And after you get the tension correct, then we'll try to get it to track straight. See how there's a pretty good gap there and nothing there. In order to get that thing to run in the middle there, come over here on this left-hand side here, and we will loosen the bolts here on the flange of the bearing here, and then we adjust the bolt here to pitch the angle of that lower roller there, and that will cause the belt to scoot over or come closer to you. And you can do it while it's running, and you want to run it for a little while because it will change after just a little bit. So after you run it a little bit and you find the perfect spot where you like it, then you'll want to tighten the bolts back up.